In today's video, I will walk you through how to add bank account to Payoneer. First, open your Payoneer account. Once you're in your account, look at the menu on the left side and click on Manage. After opening the Manage section, select Bank Accounts for withdrawal. In some accounts, you may see a bank accounts option directly on the left side instead. If that option appears in your account, select it there. Once you reach the bank accounts page, you will see your existing account information. To add a new bank account, click on Add Account. You will then be asked to enter details about the account you want to add. Start by choosing whether the account is a personal account or a business account. After that, select the bank country from the available options. Next, choose the bank currency that matches the account you are adding. Once you have completed those selections, click Next to continue. On the following page, enter the required banking information. Fill in the bank name, the account holder name, and the IBAN. Continue entering any required information shown on the screen. After completing the requested details, click the box icon shown on the page. Once that is selected, click Next. The information will then be processed, and the bank account will be added to your list of accounts. If needed, review the details you entered before moving forward through each screen and make sure all required fields are completed. After you finish the process and complete the final step, the new bank account will appear in your account and will be available in your bank account list. That's all you need to do to add a bank account to Payoneer. Thank you for watching.